Bud Cox was the fellowship of Lenape for 6 summers. Dave King was the first fellowship of Lenape at Frost Valley. Can I have your hands up? This is very delayed. This is years late. But I think it might be good for all of us to thank these people for all the hard work that they put into being village leaders. Let's thank these guys for the great work. So let's sing the evening grace. Bob Eddings, who was village chief of Hemlock, right? Bob Eddings told us a little earlier about this grace. In fact, the grace dates to 1905, and Camp Wawayanda in New Jersey, the so-called Old Wawayanda, sang this grace from 1905, as far as we know. It is now 2015. So that's 110 years of singing this grace. So let's sing it beautifully tonight, starting with the word tireless, on 3, and the first tone will be tireless, okay? 1, 2, 3. Tireless, darling, all day, thou hast kept us well today. While we thank thee, we request, care continue pardon rest. Let's take a moment, please, and if you're into doing this, please, let's give thanks to our Frost Valley friends, people we may not see except every 5 years, but we love them. So let's take a moment and think about them, and also those many friends who aren't here or who have passed on, and there are many of them, unfortunately. Thank you. Let's thank the village chiefs one more time. They're great. Bob Eddings is going to, a little later, is going to make some evening announcements. But I just wanted to take advantage of having the mic to plug 2 of our programs. 7 p.m. in Upper Guyer is Challenge Night, and it will be, the teams will be the 1960s and 70s versus the 1980s versus the 1990s versus the aughts, the 2000s versus the teens. You're on one of those 5 teams. Pick anyone. Upper Guyer, 7 o'clock. I hope everybody will come. And then at 9:30 tonight in Upper Guyer, we will have our Vespers, which will last about an hour. And the theme of Vespers will be Frost Valley Friendships. And we have a number of people who will be speaking and singing about Frost Valley Friendships. 9:30, please, Upper Guyer. Bob will tell you more a little later. Thank you.
Car wheels.
Oh, yes.
16 between 10 and 20.
Right. That kid grew up too fast.
Too fast. Isn't that what
Sorry,
happened?
they always say that.
Right.
I like what you did there.
We did that, but I think we mixed the 10 and the 16 verse.
We can.
I was thinking. What is that?
Coyotes?
Seriously?
Let's head towards it.
Peoples.
Oh, those are people.
People being
Those are
out.
people.
Wait, the environment.
I don't think those are people.
Those are fucking people.
I've heard them many times.
Those are definitely not people.
Yeah, those are definitely not people.
Like, people could not sustain that.
That's awesome.
So what the fuck was that?
Those were like dogs or coyotes.
Alright, sing a song.
Okay, move on.
I like where your head's at.
Yeah, like 8 people just died, and we're just gonna go on with
Or
another
like, just
song.
sing about it. It's cool. Songs are melancholy. Make me an angel. Fly from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. Believe in this living is just a hard way to go. How does the first verse start?
There's flies in the kitchen.
No, that's the second verse.
I want to.
That was the third verse.
This is my favorite thing.
I am an old woman.
I am an old woman, nicely done. Named after my mother. My old man's just another child that's grown old. Dreams were thunder. Lightning was desire. The old house would have burned down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a Huh?
There's room here too, yeah. There's plenty.
Evergreen
There's
was
plenty
a
of room.
BA in marketing.
Do you really?
Yeah.
No, somebody told me that you were in amusement park management.
Oh, I've heard that.
Yeah. I heard that. And that's actually a related field.
Kelly. I was just telling Dave I got my ass out here.
I heard that your first name was Catelyn.
23 came about when you were a staff member.
Yeah, but that wasn't a reference to the cabin.
I don't even know the story. What is it a reference to?
The number of pairs of chromosomes.
Oh,
Yeah, it's 23.
Yeah.
yeah. I'm a biology teacher.
Well, then you know that. So, yeah. I think it's a pretty important number.
It is.
Okay. That's all it was about?
The chromosomes, yeah.
It used to be everywhere in camp.
It's everywhere in your body. I'll be right back.
And now it's like at a reunion, so I feel like it's sweet.
Okay, I just want to have a memory here. You were dating this boy named Teddy.
Teddy Yashin.
Teddy Yashin.
I love Teddy Yashin.
I-
He asked me out to the camp dance at the bridge by the dining hall.
Yeah.
We danced the Love Bites, Def Leppard.
I love that song. That's one of my all-time favorites. It's bringing me to my knees.
Love
Love lives.
Love dies.
Love dies. It's no surprise. Love bites. Love bleeds.
Yeah,
What I
so
need.
Teddy, you and Teddy, this was your song.
Oh, that song is great.
And whatever cabin I was in that summer decided to do that song for Closing Campfire. And you gave me the death stare for playing yours and Teddy's song at Closing Campfire. You were so mad.
Wait, Beth, you played Love Bites at Closing
No,
Campfire?
in my life.
Oh, I was like, God damn.
You're like, that is really weird. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding? I was like, that's the fucking awesome thing I've ever heard in my life. I might die now and be happy.
Definitely not. No, but you did not speak to me for like days
Oh, I love.
after. You're like, you knew that was me and Teddy's song.
That was your bad, Beth. Beth, that was really your bad.
I actually did know better. I'm like, Lila's gonna be mad at me. Clouds so swift and rain pouring in. Sandy on another night, they won't come in. Pack up your hoodie, put up your tent in the wind. You ain't going nowhere.
We ride behind. Tomorrow's the day that my bride's gonna come. Ah, we're gonna fly down into the easy chair.
Counselor Don and
His brother Juan could not keep from moving on.
that cable bridge
After it's gone,
after a way has been.
ooh, we ride behind. Tomorrow's the day my herds are gonna come down. Ah, we're gonna fly down into the easy chair.
Give me a ring and a bird that sings. A fish, a VC that sings. No, it's a VC.
That's how it ends. A fish that something.
And a bird that. A fish that walks and a VC that talks.
We ride behind. Tomorrow's the day that my herds are gonna come down. Ah, we're gonna fly down into the easy chair.
Ross family! Reunion 2015!
Kyle's got nothing on him!
That's how I knew. I mean, that's how she came here. That's how she came here. She came here as my girlfriend. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Kendra. Remember his girlfriend?
Oh, I remember that.
We did hook up on the back.
Whatever reason, I remember that.
That was the summer of the purity test.
Oh my god, I totally remember that.
Right? And everyone was like trying to do.
Chris
It's a 500 question test. Right, 500 questions. It was like filthy stuff.
Oh, the roof of the dining hall? I mean, that was somebody up
But
there.
one of the things was like, have you ever had sex or oral sex on heavy machinery?
If you drop it, someone from the other team can get it. You can go, oh, I dropped it, and then boom!